Welcome back, dear students. Continuing with our chapter, now we will study about the railways. You all have seen railways once in your lifetime till now. So you have a fair idea what I am talking about. Railways are a highly important means of transport as they help to transport not only a large number of people but also heavy goods over a long distance. This is comparatively a very easy and cheap means of transport. In India, railways were introduced by the British on April 16 in the year 1853, when the first passenger train service was inaugurated between Mumbai and Thane. You would be very proud to know, students, that today India has one of the largest network of railways in the world. The Indian Railways has improved a lot since 1853. We have many fast-moving trains connecting important cities of the nation. Some super-fast trains of India are the Shatabdi Express and the Rajdhani Express. We also have some luxurious trains like the Palace on Wheels, Royal Orient, Deccan Odyssey and the Fairy Queen. These trains are introduced to boost tourism. India's first metro rail started years back in Kolkata. An air-conditioned metro rail system is operational now in Delhi and Mumbai as well. A metro project has been proposed for the city of Chennai as well. We will study further about railways in the upcoming modules. I hope you enjoyed the class.